bound service program. Let's find a bunch of service programs, find out who they're bound to. This was just simple. It's finding any program name that has RPG in the program name, because that's what I was searching for. This is the like predicate, where the percent is a wildcard. It says 1 or more characters before RPG, 0 or more characters, and before 0 or more characters after RPG, and returns the list. And then we took all the export import information. That's all returned in one view. Here we're looking for a very specific symbol. We know it's out there somewhere. This will be used again later in this presentation, but we're trying to find out where the symbol QP0Z LPrintF is exported from. And the answer we get back is QP0Z DPA. In addition to those newer views that were the program ones I've just shown you have been available since last fall, we've got these other ones that have been around for many years. First of all, we got sys program stat. This returns one row for every program, service program, and module. It does the star module information as well. That anything that has SQL statements in it. There's more details than what bound module info has. So for example, it records how many routines have used this program as their for an SQL routine. How many use it as their external program name.